square body dump truck action. '78 Chevy 350, 4-speed. A pretty good load. Probably 4 ton, maybe 5. Somebody might think it's cool, see an old truck. Hollow loads, staying cool. This is how you use the PTO on them. Transfer case in neutral. Gauge your PTO. Usually put it in first, which is actually second. Think about it. Let your clutch out. Pull your handle back. Probably a little bit close to this load, but it probably needs rebuilt, but it's slow, but it lifts it. So at that point, push your PTO back in, put her in 2 high. You can start to pull up a little bit, make sure you got it, and then push her down and lower it. That was probably a bit hard, but you get the idea. That's it.